Hello, hi, welcome. So what I'm gonna be trying to do over here is giving you kinda quick shorts of what actually you can look to when you're trying to edit your pictures. This is video basically for like beginners, maybe even somehow people with a little bit of experience, because what I'm gonna be trying to show you is something which many people don't do, and I am doing basically only because I have kinda past when I was painting and sketching, drawing, so I'm kinda using that whenever I edit my videos. So you have a picture over here which I done a couple days ago in a zoo, and on the first glance it's been done throughout the glass, so it's not very clear, but we're gonna try to fix it. So what I can do to basically make this subject, this monkey, pop up, well, first of all, because of that haze, I'm gonna be making boost on clarity, which, as you can see, it's already helping. But I'm not gonna be doing too much over here. I'm maybe gonna stay on 45. My histogram look kinda good, so exposure is fairly nice on this one. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna go to the tone curve, F. I'm gonna crash those blacks a little bit, what's usually my preference, and boost a little bit highlights. And now I'm gonna be creating mask just for the monkey. So gonna take it, brush, maybe show the mask, and just paint all over it. Gonna try to keep it as much as I can, so I don't need to redo it later. So a very quick mask. Quickly. Okay. Do this here. Over here. Over here. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be faking spotlight. So I'm just painting all around. Just to make it now. Okay, so now that I've done it, I'm gonna be raising shadow tiny bit and raising exposure, and I'm gonna boost clarity and more, maybe to 40. I want that monkey to be very okay, so we are clipping. Let it clip. I'm gonna clip it at 20. Okay, and now I'm gonna boost blacks over here. Okay, I think we overdone it quite a lot. Okay, so let's go back and let's drop that to maybe 5. Okay, so now I can crush it even more over here, something like that. Okay, so now as you can see, our monkey is quite prominent at the moment, and glass, which was before, it's almost not visible. So that's how I usually make my subject pop. So now I always love to boost vibrance and dip a little bit saturation. I love to have my colors kinda prominent throughout the picture. So our monkey have a little bit green behind him, yellow, and to be honest, I am kind of already liking how this image look out. So the next thing, I'm gonna be creating a little vignette around the monkey. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just check and dip it probably around, usually it's like around 25 on the feathering. Okay, and position it a little bit. Okay, and this picture already looks really nice. Maybe I will boost a little bit of green. Oh, okay. What would happen if I would boost yellow? Oh, I really like those vibrant colors. So the next thing, should I put the vignette from over here? Ah, and what I forgot, oh no, I have it already. Okay, that's really nice. I love how crisp that monkey looks. So maybe a little bit more, and feather to 70. I love this picture. I really enjoy it. So hopefully that was helpful. So the quick tips: always mask your subject, make sure that it has enough exposure. Clarity is depending on the subject and on the preferences. If you want to have more dreamy picture, of course you're gonna maybe drop that clarity. Whenever I do skin retouch, I always like to drop clarity and texture just to hide it, not too much, not to make it dull-like, but a little bit better. Okay, thank you very much, and hopefully you got something from this.